Oh, come on. Oh, Rebecca. You are almost there. Oh, gee Louise, do it.
Come on.
You're right, Miss Charlie Horse. You just grab your... just a little bit. Oh, come on, Rebecca. You can do it. She's gonna do this now. I just feel it. She's gonna do it. Come on, a little bit further. A little bit. Oh, come on. And Mommy wants to help you, but I'm not going to. Come on. Oh, come on.
Oh.
She's so.
Cool, isn't she?
Yeah. Oh, come on, you can do it. No, you're not supposed to chew the mat.
Yeah!